What is your name?
My name is Sachita.
What is your father name?
My father name is Gopa.
What is your mother name?
My brother name is Malachini.
What is your school name?
My school name is Madalya English Medium.
What is your headmaster name?
My son name is Lamakita.
What is your village name?
My village name is Anvantukunda.
What is your mandal name?
My mother name is Kolangulla.
What is your district name?
My district name is Nandala.
What is your class teacher name?
My cat teacher name is Annapula teacher.
What is your village name?
My village name is Anvantukunda.
What is your headmaster name?
My teacher name is Lamakita.
What is your principal name?
My principal name is Lamakita.
What is your correspondent name?
My college name is Ladesa.
How many letters in your alphabet?
26.
How many months in a year?
12 months.
How many days in a week?
7 days.
తర్వాత A to Z freedom fighters. A for
Metal.
B for
Babasi.
C for
Chandrasekharaja.
D for
Dayananda Saraswati.
E for
Ishwara Chandra Vidyasankar.
F for
Pilol.
G for
Gopal Kishan Gokule.
H for
Yadeva.
I for
Indira Gandhi.
J for
Jawaharlal Nehru.
K for
Kasturi Bhavani.
L for
Lala.
M for
Mahatma Gandhi.
N for
Netaji.
O for
Banke Baba.
P for
Pandit Pagana.
Q for
Kim Lakshmi Bai.
R for
Rabindranath Tagore.
S for
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
T for
Chaitanya Topi.
U for
Udhamsi.
V for
Vivekananda.
W for
Vatavelu Narasimha.
X for
Xavier B. Vasiliya Palkar.
X for Y for
Yusuf Petari.
Z for
Zinat Mahal.
states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Bitangala.
Assam,
Dispur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Panadi.
Gujarat,
Anara.
Haryana,
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Jharkhand,
Ranchi.
Karnataka,
Bangalore.
Kerala,
Anantapura.
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
Manipur, Impal,
Imphal.
Manipur,
Impur.
Meghalaya,
Shimla.
Mizoram,
Aija.
Nagaland,
Kohima.
Orissa,
Bhurepur.
Punjab,
Chandigarh.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Sikkim,
Jharkhand.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Tripura,
Alappuzha.
Uttar Pradesh,
Bhopal.
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun.
West Bengal,
Kolkata.